Hello. Today we have a fun activity. We know some cool facts about Pakistan, and we are going to change each number from normal counting, base 10, into hexadecimal, base 16. Let's go. In normal counting, we use 10 digits from 0 to 9. But in hexadecimal, we need 16 digits. After 9, we use letters. A means 10, B means 11, all the way to F, which means 15. Here is our trick. We split the number into groups of 16, again and again. Each time, we write down what is left over. When we are done, we read those leftovers from the bottom going up. That is our hexadecimal answer. Let's start with 18, the voting age. We split 18 into groups of 16. That gives us one group with 2 left over. Then 1 split into groups of 16 gives 0 with 1 left over. Reading from bottom to top, 1 then 2. So 18 equals 12 in hexadecimal. Now let's do 154. The total districts in Pakistan. We split 154 into groups of 16. That gives 9 groups with 10 left over. And remember, 10 in hexadecimal is the letter A. Then 9 split by 16 gives 0 with 9 left over. Reading from bottom to top, we get 9 then A. So 154 equals 9A in hexadecimal. Let's check. 9 times 16 is 144, plus 10 is 154. That's right. The Indus River is about 3,180 kilometers long. Let's split it step by step. 3180 split by 16 gives 198 with 12 left over. That is C. Then 198 split by 16 gives 12 with 6 left over. Finally, 12 split by 16 gives 0 with 12 left over, another C. Reading bottom to top, we get C, 6C. So the Indus River's length, 3180, is C6C. In hexadecimal. We can check 12 times 256 is 3072, plus 6 times 16 is 96, plus 12 is 3180. Perfect. K2, the second tallest mountain on Earth, is 8,611 meters high. Let's change that. We split by 16 4 times. We get remainders 3, then A, that is 10, then 1, then 2. Reading from the bottom going up, 2, 1, A, 3, so the height of K2, 8,611 meters, is 21A3 in hexadecimal. Our check shows it works out perfectly. Now for the big one. Pakistan's area is 881,913 square kilometers. We start splitting by 16. First we get remainder 9, then 15, which is the letter F, then 4. We keep going. 215 split by 16 gives 13 with 7 left over. Then 13 split by 16 gives 0 with 13 left over, and 13 is the letter D. Now we have reached 0, so we are done splitting. Reading all the leftovers from bottom to top, D, 7, 4, F, 9, so the area of Pakistan, 881913, becomes D74F9 in hexadecimal. Our check adds up perfectly. Here is our complete answer table. We changed all 5 Pakistan facts into hexadecimal. The trick was always the same: split by 16, write down what is left over, and read from bottom to top. You did an amazing job today.